Creating small wooden home decor items can be a rewarding venture that combines the art of woodworking with the potential for a profitable business. Woodworking is not only a craft, but also a means of expressing creativity and individuality. Beginners can start with basic techniques and gradually develop their skills, making it accessible for those looking to turn a hobby into a side business or even a full-time endeavor. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. Small items can be crafted from various types of wood, each offering unique characteristics and finishes. This allows artisans to experiment with different styles, from rustic to modern, appealing to a broad customer base. As individuals become more environmentally conscious, the demand for handmade, sustainable product has increased. Using reclaimed wood or responsibly sourced materials can enhance the appeal of your creations and attract a niche market. When starting a woodworking business, it's essential to develop a brand that resonates with your target audience. Consider your design aesthetic and what kind of home decor items would fit well in contemporary living spaces. A cohesive brand identity can help you stand out in a crowded market. Crafting a story around your creations can create a deeper connection with potential customers, making them more likely to purchase your products. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of a woodworking business. Social media platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, are ideal for showcasing your work. High-quality images of your small wooden items can attract customers and create buzz around your brand. Engaging with followers and sharing behind-the-scenes processes not only builds trust, but also fosters a community around your craft. Participating in local craft fairs or farmers markets can provide valuable exposure and help you connect with potential customers face-to-face. These venues allow artisans to showcase their work, receive immediate feedback, and gauge market interest. Building relationships with customers at these events can lead to repeat sales and word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growing your business. Online marketplaces offer another avenue for selling small wooden home decor items. Websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade cater specifically to artisans and craftspeople, providing a platform to reach a global audience. Understanding how to optimize product listings with effective keywords and appealing descriptions can enhance visibility and drive sales. Pricing your items appropriately is vital for profitability. Researching competitors and understanding the cost of materials and time invested in each piece is crucial. Balancing affordability with perceived value can help you set prices that attract customers while ensuring a healthy profit margin. Offering variations in size or finish can also cater to different budgets and preferences. Customer feedback is an essential aspect of running a woodworking business. Listening to your customers can provide insights into design trends and preferences, allowing you to adapt your offerings accordingly. Encouraging reviews and testimonials can boost credibility and attract new customers, as positive experiences can influence purchasing decisions. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or collaborating with other artisans. Diversifying your offerings can attract new customers and keep existing ones engaged. Seasonal items or limited edition pieces can create urgency and encourage impulse purchases, enhancing sales during peak shopping times. Investing in quality tools and equipment is important for producing high-quality items efficiently. As skills improve, so can the complexity and sophistication of the products you create. Attending workshops or online courses can help enhance woodworking skills and introduce new techniques, allowing for continuous improvement in craftsmanship. Building a woodworking business around small home decor items requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Understanding the market and customer needs is essential for long-term success. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, effective marketing, and customer engagement, artisans can create a sustainable business that brings joy to both the maker and the customer. Emphasizing the handmade aspect of your items can further enhance their appeal. Many consumers are drawn to products that reflect individuality and craftsmanship. Sharing your passion for woodworking and the story behind each piece can create a deeper emotional connection, making customers more inclined to support your business.